In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reward affiliates for using WooCommerce coupon codes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a coupon code to a specific affiliate so that any order using that code automatically credits the right partner. Start on your WordPress website dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. This is where we'll add the tool that makes coupon to affiliate tracking possible. In the plugin search, type Affiliates Manager. You're looking for the plugin commonly known as WP Affiliate Manager. When you see it, click Install and then Activate. Activation adds a new section to your dashboard dedicated to affiliate management and enables WooCommerce coupon tracking through that system. After activation, look for the Affiliates menu in your dashboard. Click it, then select WooCoupons. This screen is where you link a specific WooCommerce coupon code to a specific affiliate ID so that redemptions are properly attributed. In the coupon code field, enter the exact coupon code you want affiliates to use. Make sure it matches the code already set up in WooCommerce, including capitalization and any dashes or numbers. Typos or extra spaces can cause tracking issues, so it's worth double-checking what you type here. Next, enter the affiliate ID. This is the unique identifier for the affiliate you want to reward. You can get this ID from your affiliate records or the affiliate's profile inside the manager. It's important to use the correct ID because that's how the system knows which person to credit when the code is used. When both fields are filled out, click Save. This creates the link between the coupon and the affiliate. From this point forward, whenever a customer uses that coupon at checkout, the sale is credited to the associated affiliate automatically, and commissions will be calculated based on your existing affiliate program settings. A few tips to keep things smooth. Use clear, consistent coupon names so they're easy to recognize. Avoid reusing the same code for multiple affiliates, and keep a simple record of which codes map to which IDs. If a coupon doesn't seem to track, confirm the plugin is active, ensure the code is entered exactly as it exists in WooCommerce, and verify that the affiliate ID is correct. That's all you need. Open your WordPress site, install and activate Affiliates Manager, go to Affiliates, then WooCoupons, enter the coupon code and the affiliate ID, and save. Your affiliates can now apply that coupon code, and their sales will be properly rewarded.